Premium IELTS Mastery Course. IELTS Speaking recently asked January to April 2025 new speaking topic. IELTS Speaking Part 2. Today's cue card is describe a job that is useful to society. You should say, how do you know about this job? What types of people do this job? Why do you think this job is useful to society? First, we'll see ideas and vocabulary you can use for this cue card. You could talk about the job. It could be a teacher, doctor, social worker, firefighter, environmentalist, etc. How you know about it. Personal experiences, stories, or media. The skills required knowledge, compassion, problem-solving abilities, or physical fitness. Its societal impact, education, saving lives, protecting the environment, or community welfare. Vocabulary, backbone of society. That means fundamental and indispensable role. Indispensable, that means very important. Transformative, bringing significant change. That means big change. Selfless dedication, putting others' needs before one's own. Ripple effect, far-reaching impact of an action. Noble profession, a highly respected and valued job. Idiomatic phrases, make a world of difference, create significant positive change. The unsung heroes, that means people who contribute greatly without much recognition. A force for good, that means somebody or something that brings positive changes. Go above and beyond, means exceed expectations. Lay the groundwork, establish a strong foundation for future success. Now let's see model answer, and we'll also analyze language. When we think about roles that make a world of difference, one that immediately comes to mind is the work of environmentalists. These individuals are the unsung heroes of our society, tirelessly working to protect and preserve the planet for future generations. I came to know about this profession during my school days when we had a guest lecture by an environmentalist. She spoke passionately about her work in conserving wildlife and reducing pollution, which left a lasting impression on me. Unsung heroes, people who contribute greatly without much recognition. Her dedication to this noble profession truly inspired me. Environmentalists typically include scientists, activists, and volunteers who are deeply committed to creating a sustainable future. They go above and beyond to raise awareness, develop eco-friendly solutions, and advocate for policies that protect nature. Go above and beyond means exceeding expectations. Noble profession, a highly respected and valued job. Many of them face challenges such as limited resources or public indifference, but they continue their efforts with unwavering determination. What makes this job incredibly useful to society is its transformative impact. Environmentalists lay the groundwork for a healthier planet by addressing issues like deforestation, climate change, and waste management. Their work has a ripple effect, benefiting not only current but also future generations. Lay the groundwork. That means describing their role in creating a sustainable future. Transformative, That means bringing significant change. Ripple effect, far-reaching impact of an action. For instance, in areas prone to natural disasters, environmentalists develop strategies that reduce risks and improve resilience. They truly are a force for good, promoting harmony between humanity and nature. Personally, I deeply respect this profession because it embodies selfless dedication and a vision for a better world. Selfless dedication, putting others' needs before one's own. To get a free PDF of this video, join our Telegram channel, Arun IELTS Classes. You can also join Premium IELTS Mastery course that you'll get 600 plus sample answers like this. You'll also get material for reading, writing, listening, and speaking. Download application Arun IELTS Classes if you have Android phone. If you have iPhone, download Class Plus application, and there you need to enter the ORG code, that is JZGOVW. For more information, you can also text me on my WhatsApp numbers, which are on the screen. Thank you for watching this video and listening to Arun Vishist.